Welcome to an enchanting journey through 8 luxurious living room interiors adorned in pastel colors within the lavish residences of Los Angeles. These living rooms are a symphony of opulence and glamour, where the soft and soothing palette of pastel hues converges with lavish textures and intricate accents, creating a visual masterpiece that resonates with luxury. Each living room tells its own unique story through a carefully curated blend of exquisite furnishings, statement decor pieces, and refined lighting arrangements. These living spaces effortlessly blend the comfort of plush seating with the allure of opulent design. With a focus on pastel colors, the interiors create an atmosphere that is both inviting and regal, beckoning you to experience the epitome of modern luxury living. Subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Your support means the world to us.